What's going on, guys? Today Tina and Charles picked up this pet carrier. This is the Rover pet carrier from Route 1, and today we're going to be installing this pet carrier onto the back of their motorcycle here. Now on all four corners of this bag we're going to have straps, so we're going to pull these straps out, grab each of those out real quick. Again, one in each corner. The carrier is made with Ultramax material, so it has a lifetime warranty, will not fade. Now the key thing we're going to want to come down and do is go to a vertical post so that we don't get no sideways movement on the carrier. So we're going to come down, wrap around twice. All right, then what we're gonna do is we're gonna roll this extra strap back in on itself. All right, then we have these little elastic pieces right here. We're just gonna roll the strap back on itself until it comes all the way in. That way there's no loose tails. And then we'll pull that strap out and just kind of tuck it back behind it like that. That's for, yeah, if you just had a sissy bar like that third bike in there.
Now that won't be too top heavy or nothing when he's riding or anything, will it?
I mean, depends if he's doing jumping jacks or not.
No.
So this right here, what this guy does, this guy comes out, comes forward, and clips these two D-rings right here, and that's your carry handle.
Oh, okay.
All the zippers that close the carrier are locking, so they both clip together like this and lock, so they can't migrate while you're riding.
Right.
And then this guy right here, when you roll this one back, there's a little clip, so you're going to undo the Velcro here, come across to this little clip, and then come forward, and that's going to keep it secure open. You can do the same thing with the mesh if you want to. And that's the tether goes back and forth. The tether's adjustable. You just want to make sure you adjust the tether so just his armpits can come out. That way so you can still walk back and forth. Thank you, sir. Appreciate you. I'll take the trash for you. Thank you, Tina. Appreciate it.
So much.
You guys have a great rally. This, we got another looker of the Rover pet carrier right here as well. How's it going, guys? Any questions about that Rover pet carrier?